In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update all fields, TOC, captions, xrefs, in a Word document. If you've been reorganizing sections, adding figures, or tweaking headings, your document's fields, like the table of contents, captions, and cross-references, won't reflect those changes until you refresh them. The quickest, most reliable way to do that is to update everything at once, and it only takes a few moments. Start by selecting the entire document. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. You'll notice the text is highlighted, which tells Word to target every field in the main body of your document. This broad selection ensures that your captions, cross-references, and any tables of contents or figures in the body are included in the refresh. With everything selected, press F9. This is the command Word uses to update fields. As soon as you press it, Word begins scanning through your selected content and recalculating any fields it finds. If you're on a keyboard where the function keys control things like volume or screen brightness, make sure your function key setting allows F9 to send the update command. Some laptops require enabling the function row or adjusting the function lock for F9 to work as expected. If your document contains a table of contents, Word may display the Update Table of Contents dialog. When that appears, choose Update Entire Table. This option not only corrects page numbers, but also refreshes the actual entries, so if you renamed a heading, added new sections, or changed heading levels, the table of contents will fully reflect those edits. The other option, Update Page Numbers Only, is useful when content hasn't changed, but pagination has. However, to be thorough after significant edits, Update Entire Table is the safer choice. Once the update finishes, you can release the selection and continue working. Click anywhere in the document to clear the highlight. At this point, your captions should be correctly renumbered, cross-references should point to the right items, and the table of contents should match your current headings and page order. If you've made substantial structural changes, it's normal for Word to take a moment to process everything, especially in longer documents. A quick way to confirm the update is to skim your headings and a few captions. Look for consistent numbering and accurate page references. If a dialog didn't appear, but your document contains a table of contents, don't worry, Word still updated it. And if something looks off, simply repeat the process to ensure every field was included. That's all it takes to bring your document's fields fully up to date.